Hi friends, so this video shows how to make submersible capacitor starter. First let me explain the circuit diagram of submersible starter. So here you can see one circle. So this is the motor. Inside motor you can see two windings, one red winding and one start winding. From red winding there is one cable which is going outside from the motor, that is a red cable. From start winding there is one cable going outside from the motor, that is a yellow cable. There is one more cable which is going outside from the motor, that is the blue cable. So this blue cable you can see it's directly connected to the neutral of the main power supply, and there is a capacitor. That capacitor is connected to a red and yellow wire which is coming from the motor. This capacitor connection is very simple. We can directly connect capacitor to the red and yellow wires which are coming from the motor. Then you can see one more connection. The phase from the main power supply is directly connected to this red cable which is coming from the motor. So this is a diagram. This is very simple. As I said, there is three cables which are coming from the motor, that is the red, yellow and blue. Blue is nothing, it's a neutral, and you can see neutral is connected to blue, and blue you can see is connected to both red run and start winding. So we can also call it as a common. And the capacitor you can see is directly connected to red and yellow, and phase is directly connected to the red cable. Okay, so this is a diagram. So this is a cable which is coming from the motor. As I said, there is a red cable, yellow cable and blue cable. See, red, yellow and blue. So you can see this capacitor we need to connect to red and yellow. So I am going to connect this capacitor to red and yellow. So this is a capacitor, and these two cables actually coming from the capacitor. Okay, these two cables. So I am going to connect this capacitor here to red and yellow. So I have completed the capacitor connection. So next I am going to connect this neutral and phase from the main power supply. So this is the cable from the main power supply. So first I am going to connect this neutral. This is a neutral. We can see we can directly connect to the blue wire, this blue wire. So we can connect neutral here, connect neutral here. Okay, done. Then phase, this phase as per the diagram we can connect to the red wire. So we already connected capacitor to the red wire, so we need to connect this phase also here. So now we can see, okay, done. So this is the connection. So if you want a switch, you can place switch here. You can see switch here. So what we need to do is just remove the red cable from the main power supply, and then in the switch we can use a switch. Just connect to switch, then other end of the switch we can connect to a red wire which is coming from the motor. See, done. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.